Inspire ingenuity, expand creativity, imagine new possibilities, and build the extraordinary with the new Pro2 series 3D printers from Raise3D, forged from the award-winning legacy of N2. The Pro2 boasts massive build volumes, so you can think bigger. Industrial-grade components for 24/7 reliability, ready to integrate print factories and build customized parts on demand. Electronic-driven dual extruders increase torque by 400% to feed a variety of spool sizes. With hot end temperatures capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius for diverse filament compatibility. Choose from premium material options for maximum usability, strength, and flexibility. The Raise3D Pro2 features state-of-the-art retracting nozzles that print complex mechanical parts and improve print speed. The 32-bit motion controller has best-in-class reliability, superior thermal performance, precise voltage control, and silky smooth movement. Experience unmatched layer resolution for superior part quality. Effortless, dependable, and accurate, the Pro2 comes standard with optical and stops. Filament runout sensors with resume. Live camera monitoring. And power loss with print resume for worry-free 3D printing. The HEPA air filtration system silently removes nanoparticles within a fully enclosed environment. An aerospace-grade high-temperature build plate system delivers even heat distribution to prevent print warping and is easy to remove and replace. Digitally interact, adjust, and control with the Pro2's onboard computer. Easily monitor print progress and fully customize on the fly through the large 7-inch touchscreen. Import, slice, and print with the powerful and easy-to-use IdeaMaker slicing software. Wirelessly connect to the Pro2 Series 3D printer to upload files and monitor print functions, or download files directly from USB or Ethernet ports. This is the new Pro2 series from Raise3D, forever changing the face of design, engineering, and manufacturing.